This is a demonstration of a mixer.vim feature I like to call discount connected REPL. Mixer comes with this IEX command. It unsurprisingly opens up an IEX shell inside a Vim term. You can do your IEX stuff, and Control-C twice will quit out and close the window. It gets more interesting when we use this command with ranges and counts. This lets us load a buffer or even pieces of a buffer into an IEX session and track it. So for instance, we could take the current line with the dot, and now we have that foo function available to us. We do not, however, have the foo module. We can even edit, and it's loaded back in, and even get a little crazy and go multi-line. Do this for some reason, and there we go, it's updated. If we wanted to bring in the foo module, at present we're going to have to quit out of the session and start a new one. Then we can select our module. I'm going to do it in visual mode this time, IEX, and here we go. There's our foo module, but we do not have that foo function. Same, we can add a function in here. And now foo.bar is available. Lastly, we can track the entire file. We can do that with the % sign, which loads it in. Now we have the foo function, we have the foo module. As well, we can write whatever code we want, and it will also be loaded in. So now we have bar.bar. So yeah, that's it. The reason I call it discount, if you haven't already noticed, is because we are just taking the pieces of the buffer we're interested in, saving it into a temp file, and then loading it in with import file. This, of course, could cause some problems, like say you had OL mapped in insert mode in term. But for the most part, this works pretty well for what it is, and it's a little better than pressing up a bunch of times. Though it would be really nice to have a real way to do this. But for now, you can use this if you like. Yeah, that's it.